If automatic calculation is turned off, that is manual calculation setting is selected, you have to force Excel to recalculate after you change any values related to your formula. Example, we have the formula equal to sum C2 colon C5 in cell C6 and in C6 on sheet 1. Now change the value in cell C5. The formulas are not recalculated. In other workbook, we have the sum of quarters in 14th row. Delete the row pancakes. The formulas are not recalculated. To manually recalculate affected formulas in the active worksheet, go to the Formulas tab. In Calculation group, click on Calculate Sheet button. Only the active sheet is recalculated. Sheet 1 and other workbook is not recalculated. Now change the value in cell C9. To manually recalculate affected formulas in all open worksheets and workbooks, go to Formulas tab. In Calculation group, click on Calculate Now button. All the worksheets in all the open workbooks have been recalculated. Another way to recalculate worksheets manually is by using keyboard shortcuts. Change the value in cell C6 and delete waffles. Press Shift and F9 to recalculate formulas in the active worksheet whose reference values have been changed. Press F9 to recalculate formulas in all worksheets in all open workbooks whose reference values have been changed. Pressing Ctrl Alt F9 calculates all worksheets in all open workbooks, regardless of whether they have changed since the last calculation. If you have opened a bunch of workbooks that are huge, manually calculated, and may have been corrupted, and you need Excel to double check every formula to make sure the numbers are right, press Ctrl Shift Alt F9 keys. Rechecks dependent formulas and then calculates all cells in all open workbooks, including cells not marked as needing to be calculated. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel.